Hey guys, this is just a quick tutorial on how to get this beachy wave hairstyle look that is for short to medium hair length using this Remington 1.5 barrel wand. So hope you enjoy. Okay, hi guys, so I'm going to be using this Remington 1.5 inch barrel wand. Now I'm going to be using this Fantasia heat protectant and a paddle brush. And argan oil perfect edges for my edges. Okay, first gonna start out with brushing your hair, making sure there's no tangles, no knots, anything like that in your hair. Next, you're gonna go ahead and grab your heat protectant and just spray that all over your hair so your hair doesn't get damaged by the heat. Okay, and you're gonna just make sure that product is all in your hair. And then you're going to go ahead and put your hair half up, half down so we can start your hair with smaller sections to curl. Making sure the whole half is up there in that ponytail. Okay, so now you have your bottom half of hair that you're going to work with, and I just split it in two just so I can work with it easier. And I just brush it out to make sure there's no knots or tangles again. And I take a small size portion of hair. I'm just taking any random size piece of hair for the bottom half because it really doesn't matter how much hair you get for the bottom because it's not going to be shown that much. And you're just taking your wand, and I will be curling toward my face for this one. Some of the curls I'm curling toward and some away. We're just getting a nice messy like beach wave look. And you hold on there for about 10 seconds. And there you go, you have your first beach wave. Okay, I'm just gonna get another random section of hair. Doesn't really matter how big or small it is, but you kind of want it to be like medium length, not too big, not too small. And I'm curling toward my face again for this one. And holding again for 10 seconds. And there you go. So for the rest of my head, I'm going to do the same steps, and there you go. Okay, so this is the hair all curled up. Now I'm just fixing it to my liking. I'm just grabbing it from the root to give it some more body to it and fixing it to my liking. Just pulling in it and loosening up the curls a bit. And I am just brushing the top of my hair to make sure my tracks aren't showing or anything like that. Next, I'm just grabbing some argan oil to get my edges laid down. And all you need is a little bit to lay down those edges right there. I'm just smoothing it in with my fingers first. And then I will be grabbing some water, a little bit of water, and then a toothbrush to precisely brush those edges down. And then I'm just brushing out my baby hairs a little bit so they can be laid. Just swooping it out just a little bit so it looks natural. and over there on the other side to make sure that is laid. Grabbing just a little bit more edge control. And brushing again with the toothbrush. Okay, so that's basically the final look. Just fixing it again for my liking. And you can keep on playing with it so it shapes your face. But that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys, this is helpful and you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.